Cocktail.
Well, this is what we came up for. Well, actually, this week. Huh? Right there.
Show them a little bit more higher.
I'm gonna go up already.
Can right there.
Number 4. Good one for the day. Plus this one get rakes in all.
Front view, ba.
Yeah, clean them. You gotta clean on the rakes.
Zoom in.
Actually, we came up here for cow, but never have the cattle.
I never have the crew either.
Yeah, never have the crew. They're all bogus. So right there, we decided not. We'll just look for some hogs.
They went all miss out.
And they all miss out. But yeah, you can see right there, nice size blades. Cargo mountain. This is about maybe sharp too. I don't know. Maybe what?
Maybe you get 3.
Almost 3. Total 6. Check it around, Kwa. Oh, look at that hole. Oh. Yeah, good one. Go in the video. Go in the back. Actually, this not on Boris. This is a Lahore actually. This pig no more nuts.
You want it?
Oh well. Lahore boy.
Lahore boy.
One nut he get. But yeah.
Oh.
Actually for the dogs. Oh, skin is soft. Go make the head get ready for the head get mounted and we'll head them out there already. Enough pigs we had for the day already.
12 o'clock and 4.
Yeah. Dogs all tired. Well, until next time. Thank the Lord. Hello. If you would have